Hey, I'm Adam.
Fantastic. And tell me where we are today.
So we are at Samuel Leeds crash course.
Fantastic. And where have you come from today?
So I came actually yesterday. This is my second day on this event, so I'm pretty much doing this twice. And I came from pretty much from Indonesia, Southeast Asia. So it took me about 30 hours to get here eventually, and I pretty much came straight from the airport. So my backpack, it's actually was yesterday. It's still today. Like in the hallway, there was like huge blue backpack. After 8 months in Southeast Asia, and I cut the trip like a little bit short because of this event. To be fair.
Why do you think it was an important event for you to come to?
Um, so I I've been doing my research, and Samuel Leeds seems to be like the biggest name. The courses that he does, I'm not the cheapest as well. So this, I feel like this would be the good value just to find out what it's about and get, a lot of knowledge about it. It seemed like a good first step.
And do you feel like you gained a lot of knowledge while being here today?
Um, I would say yes, for sure. I would say it definitely consolidated some of the areas. There is definitely some more room for growth, but it's been good.
Fantastic. And did you investigate? Did you go for a course or did you do a course today? Did you sign up for a live course?
No, I actually did not. I wanted to, so I actually was one of the first people to stand up. But just because of my personal situation, as I said, I arrived yesterday from Southeast Asia. So actually, most of my stuff is in the Czech Republic. And there is actually a lot of logistical things to figure out. So I would say it would be quite irresponsibly like not to sort it out first. So if I had a place to stay in the UK right now, there would be different question. I would actually was ready to sign up, but there were some things I need to figure out first.
And what do you think about Samuel's energy? Did you enjoy his presence today?
Yeah, like I saw his videos, and so I kind of knew what I was getting into, but it was more intense in real life. It was more intense than I thought it would be.
Good intense?
I would say good intense.
Lovely. And how do you think it's energized you to take action in your life?
Um, so I was motivating before I came here, right? So I jumped on a plane to be here. So I kind of knew what I was doing. He has good energy. Definitely works on some people. Maybe it works on me to some degree. But like at the end of the day, like it's up to you, right? So.
Fantastic. And to anyone who's thinking about coming down to the £1 crash course, would you recommend it to them, or would you say free?
Yeah, 100,000%. You have nothing.
I think I try and include the question in the answer. So yeah, I'd recommend the £1 crash course. So I mean.
Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely recommend the £1 crash course, 100%. So you have absolutely nothing to lose, and for the £1, it's a lot of value that you can get just from that. People pay a lot of money for just for this type of training, and getting it for free, it's absolutely no-brainer. There is not that many things of this quality that you get for free nowadays. So I would say definitely come for that.